Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the Sharpstone grinder family that I have right in front of me. Let's start off with the 4-piece grinders. We have a 3-inch, a 2.2-inch, and a 1.5-inch. It comes in a variety of colors that are listed on our website. To get down to the nitty-gritty, we have the top grinder, a pollen catcher with scraper to get all that goodness out of there. Also on the bottom, just a pollen chamber. All in all, this is a sturdy grinder to grind your herbs. As again, there's 3 different sizes. We have another grinder that's a 5-piece grinder. Grinding top, first chamber, second chamber with pollen catcher and your pollen scraper. And last but not least, the pollen chamber on the bottom. That is our 5-piece grinder. Here is our push pollen grinder. Also has a see-through top. That push action. So cool. Another 4-piece clear top grinder. Different chambers. All these come with a scraper. And last but not least, our top crank grinder.